In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Ads support using easy methods. Whether you're facing some challenges with your campaigns or simply need guidance with your Google Ads account, reaching out to the Google Ads support team can be very helpful. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's start with logging into your Google Ads account. Open your preferred web browser and go to ads.google.com. You'll want to sign into your account using your Google credentials. Make sure you have these details handy, including your password, to save time. If you're having trouble logging in, you might want to reset your password by using the forgot password link provided on the login page. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Google Ads dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your ads, and it's where we'll begin the process of contacting support. Once you're signed in and on the dashboard, look towards the top section of your account interface. There, you should see a button labeled Get Support. Click on this button to proceed further. This is the main gateway to all the support options available through Google Ads, so accessing it is crucial to solving any issues you might have. After clicking Get Support, Google will initially present you with a selection of helpful articles and FAQs that might directly address your concerns. These resources are particularly useful for resolving common issues without requiring further assistance. However, if your question remains unanswered, simply scroll down the page to explore more direct contact options. As you scroll down, you'll come across several options for contacting the support team. Typically, you'll find options including chat, email, or request a call. Each of these methods has its own advantages. Chat offers real-time communication, which is great for immediate issues. Email is suitable if you prefer having a written record of the interaction, or if your query is more detailed and can wait a little. Requesting a call is ideal if you need a more personalized phone conversation with an agent. Choose the method that best fits your needs. Now, once you've decided on your preferred support method, the final step is to follow the prompts provided for that specific option. For example, if you select chat, a window will pop up and you'll be connected with a support specialist. If you opt for email, you'll be directed to fill out a form with your details and concern. And if you've chosen to call, you'll be asked to input your contact number for a representative to reach out to you. And there you have it. These straightforward steps will connect you with Google Ads support in no time. Remember to have any relevant information about your query ready to help make the conversation as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you successfully engage with Google Ads support for all your advertising needs.